So hi, I am Janalan M. Nicolas, your tourism student, and we will discuss about our prelim, midterm, and our final topic. Cultural agencies, national and international, are the guardians of our shared heritage. Organizations like UNESCO play a vital role in setting standards, providing technical assistance, and promoting international cooperation. National agencies such as museums and archives actively collect, preserve, and research cultural artifacts. Their expertise is crucial for understanding and interpreting the past. They also educate the public, fostering appreciation and respect of our cultural heritage. For midterm topic, designated heritage zones offer a practical approach to preservation. These areas often encompass historical sites, buildings, or landscapes, benefit from focused conservation efforts. Regulations within these zones restrict development and promote sustainable tourism, ensuring the long-term protection of significant cultural assets. However, challenges exist in balancing preservation with economic development and community needs within these zones. For the final topic, international trade in cultural property is a complex issue. Many countries have implemented laws that control the export, transit, and repatriation artifacts deemed culturally significant. These regulations aim to prevent illicit trafficking and the loss of irreplaceable cultural heritage. International treaties such as the UNESCO 1970 Convention provide a framework for cooperation, but enforcement remains a challenge. The repatriation of looted or illegally exported artifacts is a contentious issue, often involving complex legal and diplomatic negotiations. That's all for our prelim, midterm, and finals topics. Thank you for listening.